Hello, friends and teachers. In today's class, we have made a shuriken. A shuriken is basically a spinning blade from a manga series. Many characters have used it, like my favorite one, Naruto. Let me explain you the physics of this shuriken. A shuriken, or any object that is thrown, will spin as it travels the distance towards the target. The spin is imparted to the thrown object by the rotation of the throwing arm about the shoulder joint. So you throw it from here in the Naruto thing, but actually we have to shuriken work. The bow shuriken is thrown in a number of ways, such as overhead, underarm, sideways, and rearwards. But in each case, the throw involves blades sliding out of the hand through the fingers in a smooth and controlled flight. That is basically a shuriken. These are also known as throwing stars, which I used to think before I watched Naruto. But now I know they're called a shuriken. Let me show you how a free throw actually looks like. Wow, that flew really far. That was my free throw. I enjoyed today's class learning the physics behind a shuriken and finally being able to make one. I am a big fan of Naruto and I was immediately delighted after Sir told that we were making a shuriken. Thank you, Plato Labs, for today's project.